In 2250, Earth is a poisoned tomb. But within our walls, life endures. This is my fight, our last hope.
Her calm isn't comforting, it's a warning. Something's coming, big enough to shake the ground. Hunters, the kind you don't outrun. Great, armored, perfect. Whatever this is, it's not just tech. We're not escaping, we're being herded. They're not here to capture, they're here to erase. She's full of surprises, none of them good. She wants it as much as they do. That's not water you drink, that's water that drinks you. If I breathe, I give us away. I'm following her into darkness again. If there's a way out, she knows it. Sometimes rescue feels a lot like capture. Underground means safety, or traps. Not footsteps, claws. If I fall, it won't be far, just fatal. That's no flashlight. Close call, too close. Some truths are worse than the lies you live with. You can't reason with someone who's already decided you're not leaving alive. One wrong shot in a place like this, and the whole ceiling comes down on you. Stay down or I turn you into dust. Your call. That mark, I've seen it before. Out past the dead ridge. It means trouble. And trouble always travels in packs. 3 against 1? That's not a fight, it's a countdown. In this world, mercy is a bullet you don't waste. Close quarters means you can feel the other guy's heartbeat right before you stop it. Talk, or I make sure your friends have something to bury. Laugh in my face means one thing, you've got backup on the way. Either that's an earthquake or someone just brought a very big gun to the party. When you're outnumbered, chaos is your best friend. I didn't come here to win, I came here to survive. Please tell me you still work, old friend. I don't have time for your tantrums, Door. Pain's just your body reminding you you're still alive. I've got 20 seconds before they turn this corridor into my coffin. Hide, breathe, think, then move. If they want me this bad, I'll make them work for it. 45 seconds to disappear or die. Every sound feels louder when you're trying to be silent. One less hallway for them to chase me through. Light means people. Darkness means maybe. I hate small spaces, but I hate dying more. If there's food in here, I might just call it a win. Come on, give me something worth the bruises. In Neo-Eden, this is worth more than gold. And just like that, the win turns into another fight. 2 guns, 2 targets, 1 chance. Fast and clean, just like I was taught.
Clean kills don't always feel clean. Always check the rabbit hole before you jump in. If they're still after me, they'll hear my heartbeat before my footsteps. Places like this hum louder when they're close to breaking. Too bright, too fast. That's not a patrol, it's a hunter. They want me to know they're coming. That's not a guard, that's a specialist. You brought the wrong toy for this playground. Hurt him, don't stay to finish. Up here, I'm faster. Down there, I'm dead. Obstacles are just invitations to slow dance. Even chaos has a rhythm. Fresh air usually means freedom. Usually. You forget how big the world is until it's trying to kill you. If they see me up here, I'm a moving target in a shooting gallery. Even breathing feels like a confession. Too far to jump, too close to quit. Who needs a bridge when you have desperation? Don't look down, don't think, just move. Sometimes survival is just a coin toss with gravity. Alive, bruised, still in the game. Time to vanish before the net closes. Smells like trouble lives here. Alleys have 2 kinds of people, predators and prey. Everyone's starving here, not just us. Strangers in alleys rarely bring good news. They know my name. That's bad. Very bad. Eyes like that mean government, or worse. Choice is just an illusion when both doors lead to hell. Sometimes survival means trusting the devil you just met.
Another day done. More work tomorrow. Until then, stay safe, and I'll see you in the next log.